If your Harbor Breeze fan remote suddenly stops working, don't worry. In most cases, it just needs a quick reset and repair. This 1-minute guide walks you through the exact steps to get your remote synced and working again. Step 1. Reset the remote. Remove the batteries from the remote. Press all buttons for a few seconds to drain leftover power. Wait 30 seconds, then reinstall fresh batteries. This clears stored pairing data. Step 2. Power cycle the fan. Turn off power at the breaker or wall switch for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. You now have about 30 seconds to pair the remote. Step 3. Pair the remote. Try one method. Method 1. Press and hold fan off, then press high, then medium, then low until the LED blinks. Method 2. Press the sync or learn button on the fan receiver, then press fan off on the remote. Method 3. Press and hold high plus LO together for 5 seconds until the LED flashes. A blinking LED confirms successful pairing. Step 4. Test all functions. Check fan speeds and light controls to ensure everything responds correctly. Step 5. Check dip switches. Turn power off. Open the canopy and locate the dip switches on both the remote and receiver. They must match exactly or the remote will not work.